These gentlemen here are from Tobyhanna Army Depot, government work. This is Darren, Brandon, and Wayne. When we were coming through here with a tour yesterday, they just noticed a few things when they were coming through here, and they wanted to talk to you a little bit about it. So, without further ado,
Yeah.
Brandon, start Wayne.
So when we were walking through yesterday, we noticed how an amazing facility this is that you guys got here. It's an awesome place. And one thing that we noticed walking through is you guys on the floor working. You guys are amazing. You guys do some awesome work here. You should be proud of yourselves on what you do and understand the importance of what you're doing. So we have a few machines at our location now. We're looking to upgrade with some of your guys' machinery, some lasers, some fabric cutters and things like that. It's further than just a fabric cutter. It might be that to you guys, but it's much more to the bigger picture. We build a lot of awesome military equipment with this stuff that saves soldiers' lives and stuff. You guys are a part of that, and I think you should know that. You know what I mean? I think you guys do some awesome work. You guys have an A1 machine. I'm hoping to do some business with you guys. We'll see what happens here. But we built some cool stuff, like we built cable sleeves and stuff that protect Net Warrior gear. We built Net Warrior pouches off these machines. Net Warrior, if you guys don't know what it is, it's a system the military uses. It basically gets mounted to your chest plate and it folds down. And it's basically like a computer that they can see their battle buddies, so to speak. It's a pretty cool system. It gets made on these machines that you guys built. You know, we cut the fabric and stuff off of that. So it's cool stuff. You guys might not see that, and that's why we wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you guys about this stuff, because what you guys do is serious to the country, not just locally. You know what I mean? So we wanted to show our gratitude and thank you for what you guys do. And if there's any questions afterwards, please feel free to come up and talk to us, all right? I'll give it over to Wayne.
I'm Wayne. Hey, guys, listen. There's a lot of engagement here and a lot of cohesion. And what I noticed, we all noticed, is you have individuals that have retired, been gone 3, 4, 5 years. They're still coming back and working here. So what does that tell me? It tells me 1888, 130 years of familyness. You know what I mean? That's family. You guys should be proud of that. You guys are part of making it happen out in the real world. Okay. Just the work ethic that I've noticed coming through here, coming from a DOD installation with state-of-the-art CNC machinery, you know, eat off the floor type of stuff. When I came here and seen what you guys are physically doing with the equipment that you have, remarkable. You guys should be very, very proud of yourselves. And I recognize every single one of you for your support, hospitality, and having us come here just to see you guys.